Wine is sold to a mafia boss because his stepdad took loan from him and couldn't pay back. Wine married him because her stepdad blackmailed her that he will kill her if she will not go with him. Wine don't care anymore and she don't want to live anymore. That's why she came with Jungkook. I don't know where will my destiny go, but I will take care of myself. I don't think he's as bad as my stepdad. Mrs. Lee, take her to my room and prepare the guest room for her. Mrs. Lee is caretaker of this house and she treats Jungkook as her own son. She showed you the house and prepared some food for you. So many days have been passed. Jungkook never talked to you and sometimes you don't even realize when he comes and goes from the house. You were getting along with Mrs. Lee very well. She told you that Jungkook is not a bad person and he is even paying for her daughter's education fees. You were not feeling okay today, so you wanted to know about the medicines because Mrs. Lee was not at home today. Jungkook was sitting in living room reading some files. Jungkook, I want to ask you something. I'm busy right now. You can come later. You left the room and said, "Good person, my foot." He ignores me like I'm an object in this house. At night, Jungkook was ready to go to sleep and suddenly he heard some noise coming from downstairs. He went downstairs and saw that you were unconscious on the floor. He suddenly ran towards you and held you in his arms. Then he took you towards your room. He laid you on the bed and checked that you were burning. Oh God, she's burning right now. Why didn't you tell me? Oh no, I was the one who was ignoring her all the time. He saw that your clothes were all wet and Mrs. Lee was not at home. He decided to change your clothes. I don't know how would she react, but her clothes are all wet and I have to change her clothes, otherwise she will get in worst condition. Jungkook closed his eyes and changed your clothes somehow. Now don't ask me how, he just did. After changing your clothes, he wrapped you in quilt and went outside. What should I do now? Let me call Mrs. Lee. He called Mrs. Lee to ask her what he should do to cure you. And she told him to make ginger soup for you. He started making ginger soup for you and took it to your room with some medicines. He somehow managed to drink your soup and medicines. You were unable to see who was it because it was so dark in room. You can feel that someone was wiping your sweat from your neck and forehead. He took care of you all night and couldn't sleep. Next day he woke up and checked your fever. Finally she is okay. Jungkook went back to his room and fell asleep. You opened your eyes and saw that your clothes are all on the floor and someone changed your clothes. You remember that someone was taking care of you when you were unable to move because of fever. You came outside and saw Mrs. Lee was coming in home. You thought she was out for a moment. Where were you gone, Mrs. Lee? Oh, I told you that I will visit my daughter. Oh yes, I remember now. By the way, how's your fever? Are you okay now? Jungkook called me to ask how to make ginger soup for you. And that's so cute, Bayan, because he never even boiled water. He's so cute. Yeah, that means he changed my clothes. Did you say something? No. You sat on couch while holding your head. Jungkook came outside while stretching his arms. You saw Jungkook and Jungkook saw you. You were getting so nervous and moved your eyes from him. Actually, I'm home, Mrs. Lee. You can make my breakfast today. He saw you and went inside. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing happened. Why is he home today? After some time, you came outside and saw Jungkook was practicing his gun shooting. You ran towards him. You were nervous, but you finally asked him, "Can you teach me this?" Gun shooting? Yes, but why do you want to learn this? I wanted to become strong and look cool while holding the gun. Hold this gun. You looked at him and hold the gun. He stood behind you and hold your hand pointing towards the target. His face was on your shoulder. Your heart was fluttering and you were getting so nervous, so you were failing to shoot on target. You need to calm down yourself first. How can I stay calm when you are holding me from back? You just thought and nodded him. So many days have been passed and he taught you how to fight and shoot. You both started having feelings for each other. Jungkook was doing some painting in living area. You went towards him to confess your feelings. Can I help you? Do you know how to paint? Of course I do. I know how to make dogs, birds and teddy bears. Jungkook started laughing on your cuteness. Why are you laughing? I can do that. I know, I can trust you that you can make it. Can I kiss you? Jungkook looked at you with a surprising face. You moved back and was about to run in embarrassment, but he holds your hand and pulled you towards him. He holds your small face with his hands and start kissing you. After some time, Jungkook noticed that your stomach was groaning. Are you hungry? No. Should I just order some pizza? Yes. Jungkook chuckles and hugs you tightly. You were feeling so warm in his arms.